There you go. Now you're recording.
There you go.
There you go.
Now, this is the America fireworks. I make a picture. Did you see that, Hong Kong? America fireworks. It's so nice.
All the boats.
It's dark.
Still building.
This is great.
Yeah.
Okay, well, this stone is like hot.
Yeah, from the sun.
Feels
Yeah.
good.
This is good.
Whoa. So is that an iPhone?
Yeah, sorry.
iPhone?
It's an iPhone. No, it's not iPhone.
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, now you are.
No, I'm recording.
No, now you are. It says pause. Now you're recording.
Oh, if I'm blinking the red, it's recording?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
This is nice.
What's Alex doing? Is he looking?
Eating a can.
There you go.
No, that's good.
There you go.
There's sticks and cotton in there.
Wow, this nice. This nice.
Bill's over here, man.
4th of July in America, 2014, Independence Day.
No, it's okay, Dawn. It's okay.
Happy 4th of July. But today is 5th of July. Why we did 4th of 5th of July instead of exactly the date?
Because they alternate days.
Oh, okay. So this is the best one
Yeah.
because with fireworks. Oh, look my video. See ya.
It's good.
Yeah, bro. See?
You never run out of memory.
Yeah.
Here it comes.
My memory.
Yeah. Save it for the finale.
I got one.
Shoot. What time they start the fireworks? 8:30?
9:30.
9:30? Wow, this is nice. Ooh, this is the best. Boom, 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 boom. There you are. Wow.
It's okay, Billy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. No, you're not going anywhere. Not going anywhere.
Where's Jenny?
Where's
In
Jenny?
house. Very tight donut.
No more other shape, different shape.
No, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Only like a round shape.
Yeah.
How about the other place? Also, you have two? How about your place?
I don't know.
You don't know. You never experienced in your place.
Oh, Raleigh? Yeah, they have them. Yeah.
Really? You have two?
Yeah.
Same like this.
Yeah.
Wow. Better more. Wow, this I like it. This is the West.
That was a big one.
Yeah.
No, Billy. It's okay. It's okay, Billy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
America. This is in America.
Come here, Billy.
Wow. It's great. Oh, it's good.
That's a big one.
Yeah, this week.
There's a star. You see that?
Yeah, I know. See, sometimes they make like a flowers, you know. But they never make a whole stars, eh.
Hey, Bailey.
Yeah, that's the one. This is the one I saw. I wanted, you know, you drop. Beautiful, Alex. I like it. I enjoyed watching.
Whoa!
Wow, this is it. Like that, the line. You know, something different shape. That's it. About 45
No.
minutes, they said that.
Not yet. It's not over
About
yet.
45, 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. Like.
Just wrap it up.
In Hong Kong, the more longer, the more bigger and bigger. Ooh, wow!
Whoa!
It's a low one.
Yeah, woo! This one's more bigger. Wow!
Bailey, come. Bailey says, what's that?
I like this.
There's a lot of flashes going on.
People are taking the picture, obviously.
Wow, this is good. Wow, this big.
Bailey.
Oh, maybe that's why. Maybe that's why she's not looking at you. Steph said maybe she can't breathe.
Whoa, this is a bigger one. Wow. This is nice. Look like my
Yeah.
cell phone, no? The green turning. Wow. Wow, this is good. This is nice. Ooh.
Whoa!
Wow. Ouch!
Wow.
Woo!
Yeah. Those are the big ones.
Yeah. How you help me to save this? I don't know how to press it. Ayan.
Uh-oh!
So what are we gonna do?
What?
No, it's just.
Are you sure it's
It's recording now. Yeah.
it's still I'm taking the
Yeah, you're still recording.
ooh. Ooh. Wow.
Just give me these headphones.
How they do that, you know? They're making circle
Yeah.
the fireworks. So impress the people. You see?
Oh.
Wow, this is nice. Yeah, together Like a snake. Yeah, this one, you see? Ooh.
Look at these coming, dog.
This the one, sorry, did you see that? They jump like this. Wow. Oh, this is the best. Wow, this is the best. Wow, this is nice. This is the best. I never see it in Hong Kong like that. Like that. We don't have in Hong Kong like that. Continue the fireworks. Wow. Wow. Really great. Wow.
Yes.
This is the one that's making. Woo! One more!
Oh, watch it out.
Ay.
Alright, so let's start the finale.
The Netherlands won, and
That was pretty impressive.
amateur
Yeah, not bad.
So Jess, what do you think?
Well, the best America! I'm impressed!
Yeah, Jess.
You think we should let her light some fireworks off herself? Pretty good, huh, Jess?
Pretty good, really excellent.
Yeah, bring her out here.
You need to save how to do that.
Oh.